Hi everyone! How to create a new team and add channels in Microsoft Teams. What do you do when you want to bring together a group of people for a project in Teams? Create a team? Of course! Microsoft Teams and channels are my go-to for collaboration with others to get work done. It's my team's central location for planning, sharing, and doing. We are planning our annual conference, so let's set up a new team for this project together. While I could create a conference planning team from scratch, why reinvent the villa? Let us use one of the many pre-built templates that already has most of the channels and apps we need built in. Select the team's icon and join or create a team right below all your existing teams and channels. Then create a team. You can check out the existing templates. I'm choosing the Manage and Event one. It has 7 channels like budget, content, logistics, and marketing, and 12 apps right from the start. What a time saver! I want everyone in my work group to participate and have their voice heard. This will be a general and public team. Give your team a name. Add a description so that the new members will know what the team is all about, getting them up to speed from the start. Choose to customize to change any of the channel names to better fit what you need, like changing logistics to transportation. And there is our new team. To make our team real, we need everyone working on the conference to be part of it. I make sure we have all the right members and add anyone who is missing. Now I need to add some new channels too, so that there is one place for all our work that was unpart of the template we use. Our conference is being held outside of the country, so I'm going to add a localization channel. Start with the name and description where it is being held, and add the new members right for these work streams. Next, add tabs, apps, ensuring the channel is real. One-stop hub for work. Finally, add files and documents to make it easy to get things done before ever leaving the channel. Once my channel has been up and running for a while, I like to check the channel analytics at a glance. I know if I need to do something to boost engagement, like adding it mentions or to my posts. These are great ways to get people's attention. Teams and channels are a great way to bring everyone involved in a project together in teams to share information and stay on track, no matter when and where people are working from. For more Teams tips and how-tos, don't forget to subscribe.